The Dozuki and the 210 are classified as fine-toothed saws. They are mainly used for detailed work. This is especially true for the Dozuki saw, as it has the finest teeth and its blade is extremely thin. It is so thin that the blade needs to be supported by a metal backbone. This metal backbone actually adjusts the weight of the saw so that it can cut easily without any excessive force. The Dozuki saw is named after its main purpose of cutting delicate lines called Dozuki, which are the visible cutting surfaces or lines that will make contact with other pieces. A typical example is the shoulder lines of a tenon. Once you have mastered the Dozuki, you won't have to touch up the Dozuki with a chisel or plane afterwards. You can finish it all in one go. The second finest saw is the 210. This saw also has very fine teeth and its blade is very thin as well. But unlike the Dozuki, the 210 doesn't have a backbone. It's prone to wobbling during cutting. For this reason, I prefer the Dozuki to the 210. The most common sizes are the 240 and the 270. When you compare the size of the teeth of a 270 and a 210, the difference is obvious. Now take a look at the thickness. The thickness of a 270 blade is almost double that of a 210 blade, which means for a stock of over 60 mil by 60 mil, using 240 or the 270 will ensure more stable cutting. Now let's look at the blade length. You will notice that the bigger the number in the name is, the longer the blade is. However, hand saws are classified according to the pitch of the teeth, not by their blade length. They are classified by the number of teeth per 30.3 mil.